turn up. You know what I'm saying? Put your hands together as I introduce to you the 2007. You know who them be? You wanna know? Cheers. Let go.
Hey! Who be bounce? Who be beans? Who be bounce? Who be goodly goodly? Who be bounce? Who be bounce? Who be bounce? Who be puff puff? Who be bounce? Who be bounce? Who be bounce? Who be goodly goodly? Katim, yo! Yo! Don't mention.
Right.
Thank you. We
It's
just,
our talent.
Oh God. We
Cheers.
just say we know how to release album. Oh, our Apple DJ. You see
Cheers.
the thing way. Talk that to me. Talk again. Talk that to me.
Cheers. You know what time it is? It's about the time we turn up.
Yo!
Hey.
42 Bush nigga.
Yeah. It's about the time we turn up, turn down, turn around, turn within.
Turn inside, turn outside.
Turn outside. That is how we roll.
Like egg roll.
Anyway, now welcome to the night show for today. Will be February 27, 2015. My name is Nedu Manasuja. Katim, don't sit down. You have eyeglass, cover eye. Today is Friday. We turn up in the moment. Hey, this is to come wear shine cap. Because of say they want to do party for them for new growth today.
ECB have to get into the crew.
We are going to turn down for what?
No, we're going to paint the town red.
Yeah, we are going to paint it out red. Anyway, Fridays now days when we say we check out of relationship matter, discuss relationship. And last Friday, Pastor Iheanyi, the Epu Pastor Iheanyi. Pastor Iheanyi book go come out very, very soon. So therefore, Mokuna
Inside
the
the
wait.
book, rapping code inside the book.
Rapping. Una know Pastor Iheanyi the rapper. He's a rapper. Sorry.
He's a rappist.
Rappist.
No, rappist.
It's a rapist. No, it's a rapper.
He's a rapper.
It's a rapper, yeah.
Rapper. Now the people, now upcoming artists be rapper.
Yeah, you understand?
Then the one where done the rap now, rapper.
rapper.
Then the one where don't make money where?
It's a rappy.
Rappist.
No, rapper me we know first.
Rapper.
They tie for waist.
Rapper. Rappist.
The one when they tie for waist.
No,
that
don't
kind
worry.
Rapper.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Then they rapping. Don't worry.
Okay, like rapping sheets.
Don't. Now what for you?
Okay.
Anyway, now welcome on top the night show. Today we will continue matter when they say we start last week with Pastor Iheanyi. Anyway, in fact, we never even introduced Pastor Iheanyi. I beg not gonna follow us in here. Welcome, Pastor Iheanyi.
Pastor Iheanyi don't become part of the family.
I confused small. What's in the happen here today?
Who be bounce?
I don't know. The one I know now, who be boss?
No, they are now. Who be bounce?
Who be boss?
Who be bounce? Who be
egg roll?
who be egg roll?
Who be bounce? Who be akara? Who be a fat ball?
Serious collaboration, I'm not go there inside.
You was there for the video.
Now from behind.
No.
Now you go there back
You
the
go
shout.
there video.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's how we run. What?
And you go blow, Nedu.
You go blow. We go play. We can play for your church.
I don't know who be boss.
When praise and worship one start, we can play.
I confuse small or boss.
Last week we start topic of sexual satisfaction. Meanwhile, as you they watch there now, this topic now for married people. I talk am again, husband and wife, married people.
How about people when they engage?
Yes, well, but I'm married people they talk
just
about.
for them to know.
Now just for them to
You
know.
know me say make them apply or practice.
Make them learn them, make them know them now.
Until
know
they
me say
tie
make
that
them
red
begin-
knot.
And bam, until then don't give themselves ring. But anyway, Pastor Iheanyi, in fact, I get Fridays for on top the night show. And why it be like that? Now because of say Pastor Iheanyi, one of the major things when they be say in carry for head now to make sure say relationship for family, for everywhere, it did very, very catch up because if mama and papa get better relationship, mama, papa and children get better relationship, our country go dey better. Anyway, make we gbas more chicken break. When we come back, full gear. We don't start the program on top of the night show. Sexual satisfaction. Is it?